will solve this one. Solve for x 3 times the quantity of 2x minus 5 equals x plus 15. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so first, kopyahin muna natin yung 3 times 2x minus 5 equals x plus 15. Ang gagawin natin dito, we have to apply the distributive property. Distribute natin yan si 3 kay 2x, so magiging 6x. Then 3 times negative 5, that is negative 15. Then kopyahin natin yung equals x plus 15. Then, i-combine like terms natin. So, kopyahin natin si 6x. Then ito si x, transpose natin sa left side. So, from positive x, magiging negative x. Equals, kopyahin natin yung 15. Then, itong negative 15, transpose natin sa right. So, magiging plus 15. Okay, so 6x minus x, so that is 5x equals 30. 15 plus 15 is 30. Then, divide natin both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. Okay, cancel natin yan. So, x is equal to 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.